Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be getting this bed ready for fall to do some plantings. See, there's leeks in here already. There's some chives, and then there's some walking onions. I'm gonna leave the leeks. I'm gonna leave the chives. I'm not gonna dig those up. If the chives make it, they make it. I got plenty. I'm gonna have to dig up the walking onions though and replant those. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to get these weeds out first. Then I'm going to put some bagged raised potting mix in there, and then that'll do it. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done weeding. I pulled out all the weeds. I left the chives and the leeks, as you can see, and I dug up the walking onions, and they're right here, and I'm going to replant these in a second. So now I'm going to lay down the soil and I'll show you what it looks like when I do that. 2 bags of raised bed soil are now in the bed. It looks really good. Looks like I had just enough. I replanted these walking onions here. I'm going to show you something. I have to plant these. These are like the bulbets that grow on top of the walking onion. These will turn into walking onion plants. So that's another cool thing about walking onions. So I'm going to put these in, and that'll be it. I'll water it in when I'm done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.